Hey, what's up, guys? Just had this tire pressure sensor fault come on my vehicle. This is the first time it's ever happened, and of course this happened when I just had new tires installed on my vehicle from Ford. So I'm here at the dealership right now, and I'm going to go ahead and get an explanation for it, see how we can troubleshoot this, because I have a road trip coming up. Want to make sure that everything is running correctly. That way I don't have any issues on the road as I go. So I'm gonna be right back with what they have to say about this tire pressure sensor fault. All right, so the verdict is in. It was the front left tire sensor, and Ford took about 15 minutes that same day and fixed it, and I completed over a 1,000-mile trip right after that with no reoccurrence of that same error. So it was in fact that. They tested all 4 tires and it was that one. And as you can see, that error message is gone. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe. That way you can help me hit my 1,000 subscriber goal and continue growing from there. Leave a comment. Let me know what happened with your vehicle. All right, take care, guys.